Hi beauties, I'm Evie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a Dollar Tree haul. If you would like to see everything that I got, then you know what to do. Keep on watching.
Una, dos, tres, hey!
Alright beauties, so let's get started with this haul because I have a ton of products to show you. I went to two different Dollar Trees, my local Dollar Tree, and then I went to another one in a different town. They each had different things. One Dollar Tree had more things that I wanted to get, and then the other Dollar Tree didn't have as much stuff. But every other day that I would go, it seems like I've been there every day, but every time I had to go, my children, they have like projects to do, and that gives me an excuse to go ahead and check out what they have new in their store. So I'm just gonna get started with this haul and just show you everything that I got from each dollar store. So let's get started with the candles, because I picked up more candles from the Rose Collection New York. I have one that I already burned over here, and you know what, these candles are awesome. For $1, I really like them. I'm gonna show you this one first. This is the Bon Voyage candle, and this one is in sea cotton. It looks like this, and I really love the designs on these. And when you smell them, you really don't pick up a scent, but when you burn them, oh my gosh, they smell amazing. Especially this one over here. This one is currant, and it smells so good. At first when I smelled it, I mainly picked this one up the first time because of the color, but after burning it, you really do get that nice scent, and the whole room smells amazing. So definitely burn these if you think that they don't smell good. They really do after you know, turn them on, light them up. So yeah, so I got this one, Bon Voyage. I really like the design. I love the blue. I love the sailboat, yeah, or fishing boat, whatever this is. I really like that. Then I picked up a mermaid one, which looks like this. This one says Mermaid Kisses, and that's what that one looks like. It's so pretty. It's so cute. I love the design. This one smells like coconut seaside. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything, but once you light it up, it'll start smelling good. Then the other one that I picked up is Dream Big, and this one is Sun-Kissed Flowers. Look at that design. I love it. The beautiful watercolor. It looks like my branding. I really like that. And then the other one that is watercolor, it says Good Vibes on it, and this one is the Hawaiian Hibiscus. This one you can really pick up a scent. I really like that one, and I love the color as well, and that's what that looks like. I also picked up this Exotic Blooms. It says Let the Adventure Begin. So that one's really pretty. It matches with the one that says Dream Big. These are so cute. I absolutely love them. And these are great because you can, after you finish burning them or lighting them up or whatever, you can use these to put in your jewelry or whatever you want to put, your, you know, coins and stuff like that. So really nice way to upcycle your products. Moving on, I was on the hunt looking for their brand new farmhouse coffee mugs that I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers haul, but I did not see those. I did pick up this mug over here. This one says Coffee Addict. It looks like this, and as you can see, I love coffee. I have a shirt that says coffee is my spirit animal. I cannot live without coffee, and I thought this one was really cute. I like the little coffee bean there. It looks like a sun. Yeah, so I really like this one. I love the color on it, and they had other mugs as well that said bless on them, and really nice quotes. So I thought this one was really perfect for me. Next, in their home decor section, they have one of these hanging out there, and I was like, you know what, let me go pick this up. I thought it was really cute. This says Family is Forever, so that's what this looks like. Just a really nice decoration for your home, or you can, if there was another one, I could have used this for bookends. I really love the colors on this. One thing I noticed is the paint job is not that great, and then when you look at the bottom, look at that. It just looks like I did it. The next exciting item that I found is the macaroon ring holder or whatever, and it looks like this. I picked up the blue one. This is the one that I wanted to get. They did have a purple one. They had mint green, and they had a couple of the blue ones, but this is the one that I really wanted to get. I had my eye on this one. My mom said that this one was the nicest one anyway, so I just got this one and I think it's really pretty. It's really nice just for decoration purposes. I don't know if I'm going to put anything in here because it's really delicate. Like over here, when you open it, it's just not as sturdy as I would want it to be. And it looks like this is definitely going to change color. So my husband was telling me that I should, you know, apply maybe some nail polish or something, some clear nail polish. That way it doesn't turn black. So I was in need of brand new earbuds. I usually leave my earbuds around. They get stepped on. My children take them, you know, so I had to get some brand new ones. So I saw these from the E-Circuit brand. They're actually from Greenbrier, but it says E-Circuit earbuds with case. It looks like this. And of course I had to get the blue ones. I thought these were the cutest ones that they had, and I took them out already because I've been using them. They look like this. They have like cute fake crystals or whatever you want to call it. So they look like that really nice and blinged out, and they actually work really well. It's pretty long and they're really nice. I can actually hear everything clearly when I use my tablet. So I also picked up some contact paper. This is one of the rolls. I already used up another one. I picked up two actually, and I use this just so that I can revamp my desk. I wanted something that had blue in it, and this one was the closest thing. They had other ones, but I thought this was the nicest one. Usually you would put this for like kitchen countertops or whatever, but I thought it would look really nice on my desk. It worked out fine. My husband actually put this on for me. It was easy to use, and I really think it's not bad for $1. So not bad, and you can use this for so many different things, especially like DIY projects. Talking about DIY, I picked up a couple of glue. So the first one that I got is this super glue over here. I've tried these before, but the gel ones, and they work pretty good. So I'm gonna give this one a try. I also picked up this Fix All adhesive from Super Glue as well. That's what that looks like. And I also picked up this liquid adhesive that's perfect for embellishments, wood, plastic, leather, paper, cardboard, and trims. And it looks like this. This is just great to have on hand, especially because my children, they have a lot of projects to complete from school and stuff like that. So I thought this was great to have in hand just in case, you know, they have to do a project and we need some of that glue. And also for myself, since I really want to try to get into the DIY world, you know. I also found an awesome product. This is Mod Podge. This is a water-based sealer, glue, and finish. It looks like this. So this was not bad for $1. When I saw this, I was like, you know what, I gotta get this. I also picked up this nylon cable ties, also for a DIY that I was watching. So I'm definitely going to try this trick that I saw. I believe Bargain Bethany. She was creating her own like side table, so I'm gonna try that out. See what I come up with. I don't know. Let's see what happens. But I have this, not bad to have in hand anyway. So yeah, I picked that up. I picked up some adhesive diamond wrap. I found it in the shade blue. The last time I hauled, I was talking about a snack tray that I purchased, and I decided to put stickers on it instead, but I was mainly looking for some diamond wrap, but my local Dollar Tree did not, so I went to another Dollar Tree, and that's where I found it. It had a ton of these, but I just needed the blue one, and that's the one that I got. And I really think it's pretty. It's nice and shiny and sparkly looking, so I cannot wait to create something with this. And my husband picked out this other item that I'm going to share with you. This is a wall decoration. It looks like this with butterflies. I really don't know where I'm going to put this, because as you can see, I have this nice wall mural. I don't know where I'm going to put this. Maybe I'll create another space in this room and put up some photos and maybe put this there. I'm not sure, and see what else I can do with this. At the Dollar Tree that I had to drive to, they had a ton of beautiful like wall art and canvas prints. So I picked up 2 of them, and this is what they look like. They are so nice. These are the nicest ones that I saw. This one says, "Say a sweet prayer and kiss me goodnight." I love this one so much. I'm thinking about putting this one in my bedroom. That way my husband and I are reminded every night, say a prayer. And of course we always kiss each other goodnight, but this, you know, say a prayer thing, it's really cute. I just love it. It's so nice, and I love that it has like that denim fabric on it. And then the next one is this cute, oh my god, this is so cute. It says love on it. I love this one, obviously. It's so pretty. I mean, these are just awesome. I really like this. I love that heart and everything. It's just, the color is perfect. So this next item, I thought that this was a coaster where you put your drinks on, but it's a, it's like a frame. It looks like this. And this one says, follow your dreams. I absolutely love it. I love the color. I love everything. It's like a log or a marble design. I really don't know, but I think it's really cute. Next, I picked up this cute shower curtain for my children. I thought this was really nice. It has like the rubber duckies on it. I thought this was cute for my boys, you know. And I know that they're gonna like it, especially my younger ones. Another wall art I picked up is a hanging sign, and it looks like this. This one is so pretty. I love the colors, and it says inspire on it. And this is what the back looks like. This one's more delicate than the others because this is like a stock paper, I think. And a lot of them that I wanted, like I wanted another design, had like an elephant on it. It was punctured. So, you know, I couldn't buy it. So I picked up this one. I was glad to see that this one was in good condition. I also picked up these two frames. Look how cute these are. I absolutely love this design. They have like a distressed wood feel to them. And this is in the shade blue. They have lighter colors. They have a light wood and they also have a darker one. But these are the two that I wanted. I was glad to see it. I thought it looked good with this contact paper. That way I'll put some pictures here and just put it on my desk. And I thought it was just a really nice combination. I went to their hair care section where they have their brushes and those barrettes and stuff. And I found some really cute head wraps. And the one that I found, they're from the Remington brand. They look like this. I got this really nice turquoise one with this cute design, and then this really nice pink one. And normally I like to leave my hair loose and just, you know, let it air dry. But I'm going to be straightening out my hair, although it is super hot and I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. But I thought these were really cute just in case I, you know, decide to blow out my hair and leave it straight. So I really like these. I think they're so nice, and from the Remington brand, and $1. And then I picked up this Scunci Everyday and Active 3-piece workout chill out mix and match. As head wraps too, I don't know, headbands. I thought this one was cute with the floral design, and then you can wear it together or separate. Normally these, they don't stay on my head. For some reason they slip off, but I'm going to give it another try and see whether or not this works. But I really love this floral design. It's really pretty. Usually I'll skip on their cosmetics bags or pouches, but I thought this one was really cute. I picked up this fashion wristlet. It looks like this. It's really pretty. I don't know, what is this, leopard design with pink, turquoise, some corals. Really pretty wristlet or, you know, cosmetics bag. What I'm going to do is use this as my coin purse. I thought it was really nice, and as well, it's nicely made. It feels pretty nice. This is like a pleather design, pleather fabric or something, but really good, and I really like the design. I picked up one of the items that I purchased or that I received for Christmas from my children. They gave me $2 each for Christmas, and I picked out my own gift at the Dollar Tree, which I thought that was really cute. So one of the gifts was this essentials organizer. It looks like this. So this is my second one. I really like this. It actually works. You can put in your lipstick, some nail polish. You can put what I've been doing. Actually, I put my sleek highlighter palette. I put my LA Colors eyeshadow palette in there. I put some lipsticks and stuff. So it fits a lot of makeup products, and I'm really impressed by this, and it's not bad for $1. Usually these cost more money, like if you go to Walgreens or CVS. Of course, this is their essentials brand. This is Greenbrier, but it's still good. The plastic is really nice. It's not cheap feeling at all, and they last for a long time. So love this. This is a repurchase, so really excited to fill this up with more makeup goodies. Alright beauties, so there's 3 more items I'm going to be sharing with you that I picked up. And these are the most exciting ones for me because I was on the hunt for these, and when I saw these products I was like, you know what, it's mine, I have to get it. So the first one is this cute keychain. This is a tassel and heart charms keychain. It's really pretty, I love it. Of course the color coral is in here. They had a ton of these. I went back to the Dollar Tree today and these were gone, so I was glad to find it and, you know, get my hands on it. So look how cute that is. I cannot wait to put this on my keychain because I really need a new key holder, or do I? Whatever, it's cute, right? And the last 2 items are, oh, I'm so happy that I found these. These were meant for me because I was digging in the organizational section, if you want to call it, where they have all their bins and stuff like that, and I think you know what I'm talking about. These reversible sequin bins, they only had 2 of them and they were just hidden, okay, because I went there one day looking for them, they were not there. I went another day and then I finally found them. Okay, look how cute this is. I absolutely love this design. These are the reversible sequin bins. These were the only 2 that they had. I really wanted the blue, darker blue color, but they didn't have it, so whatever, I picked these up. And this is what it looks like. It's a blush color, and I know a lot of you have these already, especially those of us who are obsessed with Dollar Tree right now. You can leave it gold or it'll turn into the silver, and with the blush pink, it's just so pretty. So I cannot wait to fill this up because I'm going to organize. Ooh, I have a lot of things to organize. I have a lot of makeup and stuff like that that I need to organize. Alright beauties, this concludes my Dollar Tree haul. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure that you give it a like and you subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, for more Dollar Tree hauls. I have another one coming up soon. I'll see you in another one. Bye bye. And then I also picked up this Fix All adhesive from the, what? Oh my gosh, okay.